Billy. Alright everybody, right now we are on our way to Tintology over in Melbourne, Florida. He's the guy that we're meeting at the tint shop over here. And Jason, aka Tint3 on Instagram, he's with him right now. They're waiting for us to go meet with them. Funny thing is, so Billy is always giving me hell about us being like the Tesla tint shop because we do Model 3s all the time. They're about to find out right now that we actually rented a performance Model 3 to get around here rather than just going with a basic rental. We're about to meet them right now, and I've met Jason before. I've never met Billy, so I'm looking forward to that, and we'll see how that goes.
Down for steaks and a barbecue tonight? Some swimming? Cool.
Hey man, I'm just here for the beer.
What up everybody, this is Carlos, the Texas Squeegee, and I'm... hold on, cut. What up everybody, this is Carlos, the Texas Squeegee, and I'm... But today, the Texas Squeegee is not in Texas. In fact, we are in Florida, because we're doing a collaboration with some of the top pros in the industry. To my left, I got Jason at Tint3, Instagram famous. I got badass Billy Ellis, Tintology Tints in Melbourne, Florida. However, the purpose of this video is we're gonna take these two exotic cars in here to show you guys what it's like to bring the best in the industry to put out some badass tint jobs, because we are the best there is, best there was, best there ever will be. So we got this Porsche 911 right here. This car had old tint on it. It wasn't very good. The tint job wasn't very good either. So we're stripping this one out, redoing the entire thing. This Alfa Romeo, same exact thing. It's got some old tint on it, not done very well. The tint's not very good. We're gonna be taking it off. However, what's the point of bringing the best installers in the industry if we're not working with one of the best brands in the industry? So both of these cars are gonna get fully tinted with Xpel Ceramic Tint, and we're gonna get started on it right now. So let's get to work.
You're in Florida. Orange. You're in Florida now?
Whoa, whoa. My baby. No. See, when you want to know if you got it clean, it's like wiping a butt crack, right? You wipe that top right there, and then you check. And it's clean, so we're ready to go. I'm gonna be Jason. This car, done. Done. All right, so we just got done doing the Xpel ceramic on this Alfa Romeo right here. We are about to take this one out. Billy, what do we got going on?
All right, so right now we've got this Porsche 911S Turbo S 2019. We're tinting it all the way around in Xpel 15% with an Xpel clear windshield. All right, let's get to it.
Alright, so me and Billy just finished doing the two front doors. We're right now going to move on to doing the full windshield right here. The first thing that I'm doing is I'm going to scrub it so we make sure we get any bugs and any contaminants off of it like that before we get started on tinting the entire thing with clear ceramic tint. Laying everything. This is the prep for the windshield. So we just got done with these cars right here with the full install. We're about to take them outside right now because these cars just got tinted.
everybody, and welcome to Tintology. We just finished tinting this Porsche 911 Turbo S in Xpel XR 15% all the way around. We did the windshield in a clear nano ceramic film. The whole car is protected in Xpel ceramic tint. And now I'm going to pass it off to Carlos to tech the squeegee.
Right here we got this Alfa Romeo. We did a Xpel ceramic tint on this one. Did the front two doors. Check out the quality on this thing. I'm going to open that door. Look at that edge right there. Isn't that not the best edge? If that's the best edge you've ever seen, go ahead and like this video down below.
Compare edges. Come on. Come look at this edge. That is a micro edge.
And you know why that's a micro edge? Because your boy, the Texas Squeegee, did it. Oh, man, I'm kidding. Anyways, so this one right here. So we got this. The edge, obviously, since we got the three of us right here, Tintology, Jason at Tint3 on Instagram, over there doing this thing. But yeah, of course we all did it. We all did it to the highest degree standard. This one has an engine in the back. So did we tint that glass? Why don't you come take a look at it? Answer is no, we didn't do it. Why? The engine gets hot, and if we put some tint on it, first of all, why would you want to cover it up? Second of all, why are you blocking heat if it gets hot in there anyways? And third, it's gonna mess up the tint from the heat getting in there. If you guys want to see some more of the work that we put out, if you're in Florida, visit my man, Badass Billy Ellis at Tintology in Melbourne, Florida.
And we have a Ferrari 458 coming in tomorrow, which will be part 2 of this series. And I'm gonna let Carlos take it away.
All right, so if you guys want to make sure you stay tuned, watch the part 2 video, follow it up after this one. This has been Billy, Tintology, Jason at Tint23 on Instagram, Carlos, the Texas Squeegee, signing off, and I'll see you on the next one.